almond milk, ugh, some peanut butter, some cocoa butter, some keto sweetener. Don't forget the baking powder and a splash of vanilla extract. Oh, too much, but oh well. My food processor, so got to do it old school. Mix it till it's smooth. Pretty good. Put it in a ramekin, put it in your microwave, and then when it's all done, it looks like cake. Not bad. Oh, it's super hot though. And remember, when you're eating it, God is good all the time. God bless.